Hi, I'm Olivia, and if I'm being honest, just a few months ago, I felt stuck. Like, really stuck. I was working hard, doing all the right things, but life just wasn't clicking. I kept asking myself, why isn't this working out? Why does it feel like I'm always behind? It started to weigh on me, mentally, emotionally, even physically. Then one day, I came across a video from Earn with James III, and it was like a switch flipped. He was talking about manifesting what you want, but not in some vague, dreamy way. He broke it down: clarity, mindset, execution. That message hit different. I realized I wasn't broken. I just hadn't aligned my goals with real action. So I took a leap. I invested in the SocialPro Automation Kit, and I swear that decision changed everything. Within weeks, I had my first few wins. Small ones at first, but they added up. Now, I'm earning a substantial income online, working entirely from my phone on Instagram, all on my own terms. I feel confident, focused, and more free than I've felt in years. If you're watching this and you've been feeling stuck like I was, listen to James, learn from him, invest in yourself, because sometimes the difference between staying stuck and breaking through is just one decision. Thanks for listening. And if I can do this, you can too.